See, he actually
Hey,
hey, I want to be on your YouTube video.
Hey, this is Jonathan.
Stop.
This is Drew. These are people in my
Andrew.
grade.
Hello. Okay, please stop.
Okay, so they don't want.
Is that for YouTube?
Maybe. So, and welcome to my school. You know what? Here is an empty hallway. This is where murder happens.
Yes, there's another empty hallway.
Here's where murder
Let's go down the
happens.
empty hallway.
Let's go kill people.
Actually,
No.
well, I know that looks.
Okay, Miss Strong's gonna yell at us.
Oh yeah, I'm just gonna yell at you. I'm gonna run out.
Okay, actually, here is a boiler room. Here is where we boil people. Shut up. Shut up.
Okay, so
This is where we boil people.
Shrek the
Boiler room.
musical.
Yeah, we're about
Junior
to see Shrek the Musical
performed
awfully by our friends in
performed
7th grade.
awfully by some.
But it's free.
Wait, what the fuck is a boiler room?
She just said a bad word. What? Yeah, this is not going on YouTube, but anyway, this is 480p. It's just so amazing.
Are you gonna delete this now?
This is, well,
Here, I'll take the
not
video.
4K. Hey, let go.
Let go.
Because I'm not recording.
Okay, but you know what? I'm about to eat some pretzels because
You know what? Here's a sleep. Yes, I have.
you know what? I apologize. These are awful conditions for vlogging.
Yeah.